I wouldn't say it was a very big passion from my childhood. It was more like a sudden decision. But then, because I have always heard that only commerce field students can get into commerce field, then I wanted to break it. So I am from an obvious science background. Yeah, that's how I decided to join CA in Lakshya after a lot of research and recommendations from a few friends. I think at first you have that fear in your mind always, because the students are mostly from the commerce background. We are from a science background with no commerce experience. So at first you have that fear in your mind, but then the classes in Lakshya, they start from the very base. Even if you are from the science background or science degree, or if you haven't attended any class previously, they all start from the zero, the very basic level. So I think it was very easy to catch up, and you are always at the same level as commerce students. It was easy. All over again, I would still choose Lakshya because of the immense support they will give you throughout the journey. And anytime you feel a little more demotivated, there are always your coordinators by your side to help you. And there is always this glimpse of hope they give you.